from all these to this. Easy access, no 5,000 containers to open. Everything is labeled, ready to go. Even easy to pack for traveling, and easy, slim container. Found this container in the fishing aisle of Walmart, where they have all tackle boxes and stuff like that. They have these kind of organizers, and you can see how firm the lock is, so it's not going to open if it was to travel with you. Easy to slip in your like a carry-on bag or a big purse if you have, or a backpack. I carry backpack as my carry-on. So, and it has these removable lines. So these three are permanent, what do you call them, boxes, or thingy-majigs. And then this was one long section, and there were 4 partitions, so I just cut them and put them appropriately. And it's just so easy. Just pick the ones you want, not 5,000 bottles to open. My God. I will link the lady on whose site I saw this, but thank you, Lauren. I appreciate it. This is like game changer. Thanks, girl. Yeah, so in the process of cleaning out the medicine drawer, and got rid of so much already, and I'm not going to throw any of these because these are screw tops. They make very good containers to bring on trips. I'm going to take some time, and this is like the moisture absorber that comes in it, but these are good. Just take some hair dryer and heat up the label, and the label will come right off. And then these are just perfect size. They like fit in my palm of my hand, so these will be perfect for carrying any liquids or shampoos, body wash, lotion, etc. on a trip. So I have like 5 of these. These were all samples that were given to me by my doctor, so these are perfect, like little ones. And then I have these big ones of multivitamin, which is good to keep as a trash box in your purse and throw all the receipts and gum wrappers and chewed gums. So this is also like a big container, great for trash can in your car. The cup holder thingy, you can just keep the lid open and just place it in the cup holder if you have a spare cup holder, or on the side of the door. And then this can be used as a throwing your gum wrapper, tiny little garbage which accumulates in the car. So I'm going to recycle all this, and yes, that is the plan. Oh yeah, this was less than $4. I think it was $3.58, less than $4. I think it's worth the investment. So easy, and the lock is so sturdy, like I can't even close it with one hand. I have to do it with 2 hands. So yep, give it a thumbs up. So I forgot to mention, these are just handwritten labels, and I don't have a label maker, and I don't want to go buy just for this reason. So I had this stack of postware, but it have all these posted flags. So I just used the pink one and just wrote down the name, and then handy dandy scotch tape, permanent marker, stick it on, and call it a day. Thank you, guys. So it is very, very cold here in the northern part of the US, and I am not able to go out to do any kind of exercise. The gyms are open but you have to wear a mask and this and that, and वो सब मुझे नहीं करना है एक्सरसाइज करते वक्त. वैसे ही नहीं मास्क सहन होता तो एक्सरसाइज करते वक्त तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा. तो आई वांटेड टू शो यू वेयर देयर इज़ अ विल देयर इज़ अ वे. आई एम इन माई बेसमेंट and I walk in my basement, and I'm going to take you along to show you that if you have even a small room, just make pradakshina in the room. You don't need a big place, but you need to take care of your health. So here I am in my basement. This is my craft area, and I'm going to walk, and I'm going to bring you along just so you know that if you want to exercise, walking is, as everybody knows, the best, the easiest, and the freest. You know, you don't need to spend any money. Put on your shoes, and if you have a small house, just walk from one room to the other. If you don't have a basement like I do, that again is no excuse. If you live in a building where there are stairs, go up and down the stairs a few times, maybe 3-4 times, twice a day. That should be good enough. But here I am. You can see I'm walking and I'm talking and I'm taking care of me. It is so cold outside. It is so much snow, and the cold is okay, but to walk in the snow, it's a little risky because you know there can be black eyes and things like that, and I don't want to risk walking in that kind of condition because you never know. But hey, here I am. So this is motivation and inspiration for you. Take care of your health. Even a little bit of walking helps increase your blood circulation, keeps you motivated, makes your blood run in your veins, and then you feel energized. So I hope you will do that for yourself. Take care of you and keep praying for me for my job. Hopefully everything works out, and I will talk to you soon. Exercise, exercise, exercise.